Welcome to another video, 6th grade math test prep. We will review division of whole number by mixed number by using a past exam question. Let's start by reading the problem. Mia is working on projects that require 3.5 yards of ribbon per project. Mia has 28 yards of ribbon. What is the greatest number of projects that Mia can complete with this ribbon? So we have a total of 28 yards of ribbon, and each project is 3.5 yards. So therefore we need to find out how many times can 3.5 go into 28. That means how many 3.5s are in 28. And our operation is division, so that is 28 divided by 3.5. And our first step in dividing whole number, fractions, and mixed number is to convert the mixed number to improper fraction. So 28 is 28 over 1, and 3.5, 2, 3, 6, and 1, 7 is equal to 7 over 2. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 7 over 2 is 2 over 7. So therefore we now have 28 over 1 times 2 over 7. And we have two ways of simplifying this. We can multiply 28 by 2 and then divide by 7, or we could just go ahead and cancel. So let's do canceling. We're going to divide 28 and 7 by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. And now we multiply across. 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1. 8 over 1 is equal to 8. So how many projects can Mia complete with the ribbon? And that is 28. It is 8 projects. And the correct choice is D. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for many more test prep questions using past exam questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.